The 2013 Allied Professional Inductee is John Mendoza. The Plantscape Industry Alliance is honored to induct John Mendoza into the Interior Plantscape Hall of Fame. Born on May Day in 1961 in Denville, New Jersey, John was the first child for John and Arlene Mendoza. Brother Joe came 2 years later. The brothers have always been close. John's dad bought a retail nursery garden center located in Florham Park, New Jersey, called Hilltop Nursery in 1976. This is where John first became hooked on plants, the first step into a lifelong career in horticulture. By the time John was a senior in high school, a choice of college was on the horizon. John's mom, Arlene, suggested going to school for horticulture. John's dad explained that while this was a great idea, he did not want John to feel obligated to work at the garden center or choose this field for any other reason than his own personal preferences. John enrolled in Delaware Valley College of Science and Agriculture in Doylestown, Pennsylvania in 1979. He graduated in 1983 with a BS degree in ornamental horticulture. By this time, his dad was actively working to sell Hilltop. John decided if he was going to start his career anywhere, a place with year-round warm climate was the best choice, Florida. He attended a year of post-baccalaureate studies at the University of Florida, Gainesville, to familiarize himself with Florida plant production and to get to know people in the Florida foliage industry. John worked for Roseacre Plants, owned by Florida Foliage Hall of Fame member Dick Roseacre, for 2 years following completion of his studies. Dick Roseacre was a respected nurseryman and a true gentleman. John could not have had a better first job in Florida. Dick was very tough but fair and was very active in the industry. He inspired John to become involved in industry organizations, trade shows, and seminars by donating both money and time. John learned a lot from Dick and from Doug Lane, Roseacre's sales manager. Joe and Phil Shaloni of Tropical Ornamentals purchased Roseacre's plants in 1986. John admired the Shaloni brothers as they were both industry leaders and big proponents of helping the industry as a whole. Whether it was other nurserymen or customers, everyone benefited from Tropical Ornamentals' massive efforts to give back to the industry. Tropical Ornamentals had now had 2 large nurseries in Delray Beach, one in Homestead and one in Lake Worth. They had become a powerhouse and perhaps the dominant supplier to the interior scape industry. Herb Koslow from Associated Growers called John the day after the sale was announced. Herb explained how brokering worked and that being able to sell from many growers' crops gave an advantage to a broker. He made a strong case, and John was now at a crossroads. He really liked the Shalonis, but was attracted to the brokering concept as well. After much soul-searching and consideration, he wished there were 2 of him, so one could work for Tropical Ornamentals and the other work at Associated. John decided to work for Associated Growers. John learned a lot about the plant brokerage business and decided after 5.5 years he wanted to start his own company. On April Fool's Day, 1994, Morning Dew Tropical Plants Incorporated was launched. The business was started from John's living room. Brother Joe agreed to help out with the startup and work until July. In 1995, John met the loves of his life, Michelle and her 5-month-old daughter, Nicole. John and Michelle were married in 1998. By this time, Morning Dew was expanding, so they decided to put an addition onto the house to act as an office. Within a couple of years, the business expanded into another room in the house, and it was decided in 2004 to move to a 1,500 square foot office space at its current location in Delray Beach. As Morning Dew grew, John was able to start giving back to the industry that had been so good to him. Morning Dew has sponsored OFA's Interior Scape seminars, Mid-Atlantic Interior Scape conferences, ALCA Partner Program, and Green Plants for Green Buildings, National Foliage Foundation, FNGLA, and Chesapeake Green Conferences. John was a judge for ALCA's Best Interior Scape Projects of the Year in 2001, 2002, and 2004. He was a speaker in the Mid-Atlantic Interior Scape Conference in 2001 and 2004. John was a speaker and host of the FNGLA Foliage Safari in 2006 and a speaker at TPIE 2009. John Mendoza was given the Industry Leadership Award for Excellence in Nursery Sales by the Mid-Atlantic Interior Scape Conference in 2004. John Mendoza is a contributing writer for iPlants magazine and currently serves on the board of directors for both the National Foliage Foundation, whose goal is to organize programs that address specific problems affecting the foliage industry, and Tropical Plant Industry Exhibition, where he is part of the team that plans this important national foliage and floral trade show with a short course dedicated to the green industry. We are grateful to John for his contributions to the interior scape industry and are honored to induct him into the Interior Plantscape Hall of Fame.